Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find, go to the very top and find About Phone. Then we have to localize OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and then go back to the general settings. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings, scroll down again and find developer options. So let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can show background ANRS. Here you can also show view updates, change animator duration scale, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall. And basically to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, just go to the very top and tap on the switcher right here, and the developer options will be disabled. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step, or actually OS version step, and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.